Sometimes you don't want to use all the cases. So in SPSS you have three options. You can select cases based on your defined criteria, you can select them through random sampling, or you can define a case range that you want to work with. So let's see how this works. You go into Data, Select Cases, and the first option is define our own criteria. So here let's say we want to select all the women. So we choose the variable gender, and because female is coded as 1, we say if gender equals 1, then select the people, the cases. We hit OK, and then you'll see that SPSS selects all the women. So here the gender 1 equals female, right, is selected. Gender 2, there's this line which means that it's not selected, and again the gender is 2 is a man. 3 selected, 1 is a female, etc. And you can see here this filter variable, so SPSS creates a filter variable which it uses to create the selection. So if we use the next approach, we go a random sample, then you can say how many people do you want to actually choose. So I say here, let's pick 50% approximately, hit continue, and we hit OK. And now SPSS is going to randomly select 50% of the cases. So we see here the first 2 people are not chosen, second 2 people are chosen, 5th person is not chosen, etc. Now let's, just as an example, let's do this again, and then we should see that there's going to be a different selection, right? See, now the first 2 people happen to be in our sample, the third and fourth not. So it's a random process. Then the third option you have is to define a case range. So we could, for example, say we want to have the first and the 20th case. Hit continue, hit OK, and now you see first to the 20th case are selected, and then 21st to 40th not. And again, I strongly suggest that you paste your syntax. For example, here you have examples of defined criteria, randomly selected cases, or a range of observations.